This is the second part of the program, right? That is our we will do breadth first search, in which we will see that the program, right? So if we'll talk about the depth first search, right? We have did, right, and we have gone through the recursive way, right? But if we'll talk about the breadth first search, right? So what we have to take? We have to initially take our visited node, right? So we'll take first what visited node. First we'll take size, right? N equal to, we'll take is connected, right? This is connected. We'll take, rather than is connected, we'll take the uh, matrix M, right? So matrix M dot, we have length, right? So we'll do that. Then what we should do? We should take a visited node that we have taken last time. Visited node, right? And this visited node is what? New int and n. Size of n, we have taken the array. Now we'll take int count, and this is our count group, and we'll start from what? 0 group. We have seen initialize value, right? Then what we should do? We have all these variables. Now one more thing we require, right? We should require a queue. So for the queue, what we will do? This is our queue. Then we'll take integer. It will store integer. So we have to define integer. I should be in capital. So this is nothing but what? Our queue. Now we'll take a new linked list, right? And then array, correct? That is done. If we'll take remove the space, yeah, queue is done. Initially, what we will do? We'll go for all its array, right? It's all rows, right? For all rows, I0, I should go to what? Less than n, and I plus plus. We'll move to all the rows, right? And we will check if visited node contain I and it is equal to what? 0. Then what we should do? We will first add on the queue dot add will do, and then pass the I. Now we have the visited, this one. Once it is visited, we'll check the while loop, right? If queue is empty, is queue is not empty, then what we'll do? We'll go to the loop, right? And we'll check, we'll take one at a time value. We'll take a initial, we can say node, right? Or some value we can say, right? So what we'll do? We'll take int, we'll say s, okay, equal to, we'll take q dot remove, why it's not coming? Now we'll do q dot remove, and then we will have one value, right? And this will check on this visited, is visited or not. So we'll check on the we will put onto the what? At that s we will put 1, like that, at that particular node, right? After that we'll go for all the its what? Column, right? So for that, what we'll do? Int j equal to what? 0, and then we can say j should be less than what? N, right? And then j plus plus. For all I, we'll go for all j, and then we should check m at s and j, correct? Is equal to what? 1. And visited node at j equal to what? 0. Then what we will do? We'll do q dot add, and then we will add j, right? So this for loop is completed here, right? And then we have this while loop is completed. So what we will do? We will do count here, count group plus plus, and after completing all its loop, right? What we will do before closing to here? right? We will return our count, correct? We should return count group. Let me check the code. We have taken Q. I think Q spelling is mistake. I have mistake in the Q. QUE. Yeah, this will work. Okay, so let me revise the code again. Let me summarize what we have did. We have taken a length, we have find out the length, then we have taken visited node, right? We have taken visited node so that we will check the all visited node is there or not. Then we will take the node queue, and then what we will do, we will make our what one for all rows we will go to all its column, right? For all row we will go to all column, and meanwhile we will do, if it is not visited then we will add into the queue, and till the queue is not empty we will do visited, and we will set the value, and then what we will do, if that is 1, then we will check the visited, and we will check the we will add on to the queue, and similarly we'll check the count, right? Count plus plus, count plus plus why? Because if uh, we have the value, right? We have gone through the while, right? Then after that we will do count plus plus, and it will return the value. Okay, so let me run this one. Yeah, let me submit this one. Yeah, it's working. Thank you so much, guys.